Okay, I have my conditioner, the first phase cream conditioner, and it actually looks like peanut butter, but it's not peanut butter, just so you know. These are the things you're going to need. And I also have another extra container to use for mixing. I have a blender, you're going to need that, a spoon, and I actually use a spoon to actually take the conditioner out, and then I put it in the bowl. I have the plastic tops and my 4-ounce water. Alright, so let's get right to it. Right here you see 4 ounces. I am going to be using 4 ounces per 2 ounce of the conditioner. So at this time, I am going to go ahead and take the conditioner, which is cream form, first phase, and put it into the empty bowl. And these bowls are basically food grade containers that you can actually put in a refrigerator. So for now, I'm going to take out at least 2, I believe that's about 3 tablespoons, which is equivalent to about 2 ounces. Alright, and to make sure that I have exactly 2 ounces, as you can see, I'm going to measure with the digital measuring scale. Now the bowl is about 0.4 ounces, so the 2.4 is exactly the exact measurement, including the size of the weight of the bowl. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some water in there and get the stirring underway here. So what you're going to do is just continue to stir and stir and stir. Now it looks like peanut butter, like I say, but over a period of stirring, you can start out with the spoon, or you can start out basically with the blender. I'm going to start out with the spoon, and over time you're going to see this cream start to transform. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little more water in there, and you want to just put water in gradually. I mean, you could put the whole 2 ounces of water, but it's better to just gradually put the water into the mixture. Now, right now you're noticing there is some pink looking solution that's in there, and that's telling me now that the cream is starting to form into the conditioner. And mind you, this is 100% all natural. There are no preservatives in this cream. So you're going to continue to stir and stir. And as you can see, it's starting to change a little bit in texture. Put a little more water in there. And I'm just going to keep stirring. It's a little liquefied, but don't let that worry you. Just continue to stir. Now if you notice, you'll see on the right the difference in the color. You see the peanut butter look on the right, and then you can see the difference with the color. So I'm going to go ahead and just stir it some more. This time I'm just going to have to use the blender, because the blender is really going to help me get it a little more fluffier, quicker. You can use the spoon, but it takes a little longer, so you have an option of using the blender or using the spoon. In this case, I choose to use the blender because it's quicker, like I said. So you're going to continue to stir and stir and stir. So far, it's starting to be a little fluffier. You're starting to see the transformation of the conditioner. Okay, I'm going to pour the rest of the water in there. And from this point, it's going to go into the final stages of the conditioner. Go ahead and mix on up. Again, if you look on the right, you'll see the difference with the color between the peanut butter look of the cream and now the pink looking pink custard conditioner. Pink lemon custard conditioner, that's what it is. And as I said earlier, this is all natural, and it's very easy to make as I'm demonstrating here. As you can see, it's starting to get very, very creamy, and if you want it thinner, maybe a light conditioner, you can add more water to it. For me, I like to use as recommended the amount of water that I designate to go in there for a very nice thick conditioner. Right now it looks like yogurt. It has a yogurt consistency or cake batter consistency. This is what you're definitely looking to have. If it's watery and it doesn't look right, then you're not done mixing it. Now that looks very, very nice and creamy. Very, very nice and creamy. So here I am going to compare, as you can see, the difference from peanut butter look to the pink yogurt look. And this is the finished product on the left. And I have my lids, and what I do, I usually seal what's left, and you can refrigerate it, but I usually don't because I know in a week I'm going to use it. So I want a little more thickness, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up a little more. I like the creamy texture. The more you mix it, the creamier it will become. Okay, so there it is. Creamy texture is definitely what you're looking for in the conditioner. As you can see, again, it's a yogurt consistency. Sometimes I will thin it up a little more, put more water in it, and other times I will just leave it as is. Nevertheless, you will get a good conditioner. So I'm checking the consistency here. The texture is definitely very slippery, so you will have a lot of slip. So here again, the pink lemon custard conditioner, and very simple to make. We'll go ahead and put the top on and refrigerate that, and it usually can be refrigerated up to 2 weeks. I would not go beyond 2 weeks due to the fact that there's no preservative in it. So again, here's the conditioner consistency of it, and then you have the cream, first phase cream, which looks like peanut butter, and again, it's all 100% natural. There's absolutely no preservatives in it, and this is a very rich cream that can get the hair very moisturized. It actually has helped the texture and moisture retention of my own hair. So there you have it. This is the conditioner.